Esinye futhi isigameko sokudubula eThekwini. oThongathi kudutshulwe abantu abathathu izolo. Amaphoyisa athi izinkabi besifuna ukubulala usihlalo wenhlangano yamatekisi.
The chairperson of a taxi association here in Othongathi was driving with this security detail. 3 of them were in a vehicle in front of him, a buggy, and apparently a Mercedes-Benz came from behind and opened fire on the buggy, killing 3 of his guards instantly. Reports indicate that he managed to drive off, but suspects followed him, shooting at his vehicle, and injured one other person that was driving with, who was also a security guard. What we're getting for now is that he managed to escape on foot.
Amaphoyisa athi kungenzeka ukuthi ukudubula okwenzeke ngolwesibili kuhlobene nalokhu. Onogada bendawo basola ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi kudutshulwe umuntu okungeyena.
Sadly, 2 victims in the vehicle behind us are deceased, and the female that was in the vehicle as well has been injured and taken off to hospital.
Kunesinye futhi isigameko sokudubula esenzeke emanzimtoti eningizimu yeTheku. Kulokhu kusolakala ukuthi ababulali bebefuna phansi phezulu umnikazi wenkampani yonogada. Kodwa-ke abekho abantu abalimalile. Bonke abasola kulezi zigameko basagcwele amathafa.